right, this is a quick room tour of our room at Hotel Xcaret Arte. We're in the Pyramid Casa, room 3552. It's an ocean view room, and you use your bracelet to scan yourself in. And here we are. And to the right is the bathroom. We'll get to that after. We'll do a quick tour of the room. The king size bed, and we're lucky we're on a corner unit, so we have 2 balconies. Hi, Troy. The fridge is in there, stocked with beer. And there's a little coffee station. Go out on the balcony. You don't close the door all the way, the air conditioning turns off. So there's a little bench and double hammocks that you can take down. You don't need to have them up there. There's a chair. So the ocean view, the ocean is in the distance. More of a river view, which is nice to have a view of both. And the spiral. There's a chapel at the top. And down there is a swim out room that's below us, and then there's a pool over there with a swim up bar, and that's how you enter the river. And the river goes under the bridge and all around the resort. I'll go back in. This other balcony. This balcony is huge. It doesn't connect though. And up over the top there is the rooftop pool. Oh, and then next to the bed is the jacuzzi tub. This is like a sliding barn door. So it closes off the shower area, then you have double mirrors. I'll show you the sink. It's a double sink and mirror. Nice view while you're brushing your teeth. And then this is the shower area. So here's the shower. And closet. Pretty good sized closet. And on this side is a dresser. And this is the toilet in here. And kind of neat thing is here, if you close the door and if you press this button, whoo, now you have a view while you're sitting here. And that is the room.